Hello everyone, welcome to our channel RS Kitchen. If you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. In this video, we will show you how to prepare chicken bharta in Tripura style, which is a famous street food of Agartala. For this we require boneless chicken pieces. To the chicken add ginger paste, salt and a pinch of turmeric, then give it a good mix. After that add little bit of refined oil and give it a mix. Marinate it for at least 3 hours. In a karai, take the marinated chicken and water for boiling. Boil the chicken in medium flame by covering it. Boil it till the chicken is soft and the water is absorbed. Dry roast the green chillies and red chillies. Smash the roasted chillies and ginger. Break the chicken into smaller pieces and remove the bones. In the chicken add the smashed chilies, ginger and roughly chopped onions. Give it a good mix and add salt if required. Our chicken bharta is ready to be served. Thank you for watching.